Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we are designing high-end photo grading with color lookup. Open your image in Photoshop and begin with precise exposure corrections. High-end grading requires attention to detail. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and choose a LUT with subtle contrast and refined tones. Lower the opacity to maintain a premium feel. Add a curves adjustment layer to carefully shape highlights and shadows. Avoid extreme moves, keeping transitions smooth. Use color balance to refine tones in shadows and highlights for a polished look. Zoom in to check textures and color accuracy.